Hey everybody and welcome back to this channel. In this quick video, we'll show you how to fix can't join meeting or failed to join error in the Google Meet application. So let's just dive right in and get started. So first of all, we need to ensure that our internet connection. Head over to settings for that. And from here, look out for your connections option and look out for your Wi-Fi or the mobile data that you connected and try switching between both of those and make sure that your internet connection is stable here. Apart from that, within your settings itself, you may scroll down and look out for the option of apps and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can look out for Google Meet application here. Let's use the search at the top and search for Google Meet. And once you find it up, tap on it. And after you tap on it, you can look out for the option of storage and go ahead and tap on it. And from there, look out for the option of clear cache and also clear data if necessary. Go back from here as well. And from here, look out for the option of permissions. And once you tap on permissions, what you may do is look out for the option of camera, microphone, and network access. So tap on camera first and make sure these are allowed. So tap on allow. Similarly for microphone as well, just go over and tap on allow. And if there is any option called network access, you can just go over and allow the permission for that as well. If the problem still persists, what we can do is we can try updating the application itself. So go to Play Store application for that. And from there, go to the Meet, search for Meet here. And once you find it up, you can just go over and look out for the update option for Google Meet and just go over and do so. Or if not that, you can reinstall the application itself. And that is it. Now you should be able to join your Google Meet without any errors. So you may try it out and let us know in the comments for that. And also do not forget to like and also subscribe for more fixes.